I'm back here with a look at Kaspa here. All right, we have made a higher high right here. Taken out. This is the first time we've broken a higher high since beginning of August. All right, so about a month and a half that we've been up here. In the last video, we talked about breaking through that 17 cents. We broke through that area, made it up to actually 18 cents. Right, so we got that higher high. That's great. Okay, that's a step here. Now, if we take a look on a fib on this, right, if we go from a swing high to a swing low, right up there down to the bottom, you can see right up in that 618 area, right? Almost hit that 618. This could actually be pulled down here. 618 area, right there, right? So we'll take a look at the rest of these RSIs and stuff here, see if we can figure out what's coming up next for this thing, and see where we're heading. Over here on BTC, 57.7 right now. Looking for possible pullback down here to 55 to the high 54s. That'd be your 618 and 702. Right in this box here, looking for a Bitcoin pullback. So a little bit further down for this thing, maybe. You got the 8-hour still bearish. You got the 12-hour coming down. You got your daily also bearish. All right, but the bigger time frames, that weekly is still bullish, which is fantastic. Your monthly is trying to turn up that way. Okay, that would be huge, obviously, for Bitcoin. But you can see here, got this massive wedge going on this thing. All right, break to the upside, happy days. Break to the downside out of this wedge, and the party's over for sure. All right, break to the upside, and we're looking at $89,000. So that's pretty decent target. That would make a wave 5 that we've been talking about for months and months and months. All right, that's what we're looking for here. Bottom of this range, this has hit the bottom of this thing a few times here. So we're keeping an eye on BTC. And like I said, looking for a pullback down. It's at 618, 702 down here, down these lower ranges. Let's go back out in this 12-hour here so I can show you. All right into that box. That's your 618 to 702. Let's move over here to the crypto bubbles. Not much to look at for them, that's for sure. Look at this. Just a party of red today. Last hour, you got a couple popping green there. Phantom is looking great. We've been in a long in Phantom this week. What's the other ones? ADA, Fetch, and of course Kaspa. We had some nice trades this week, definitely. Been looking fantastic on the trading. So if that interests you guys, check out a level 3 membership. You get over 10 hours of videos and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. We have over 200 people in there now, so we would love to have you. At a 39 on the Fear and Greed Index, all right, have to come up to a 46 to even get out of there, so it's got a ways to go. Definitely, what's that, another 7 points. Got something pretty exciting here. Check this out. Tonight, it's over here. Trump is launching his new will unveil a new crypto business during an evening address tonight from his Mar-a-Lago estate, the latest venture that stands to benefit the former president, as he seeks another 4 years in the Oval Office. Details on the new business, which will be called World Liberty Financial, WLF, are limited, but Trump's sons have spent weeks promoting it. The GOP nominee himself has teased the latest expansion of his family's business empire from the same social media account that carries his political messaging. We are embracing the future with crypto and leaving the slow and outdated big banks behind, Trump wrote on X as he invited his followers to tune in to Monday's announcement. The virtual event is expected to proceed as planned, despite Sunday's apparent assassination attempt on Trump while golfing at his club in West Palm Beach, Florida. No major party nominee has ever leveraged their candidacy for personal profit quite like Trump has during his third White House bid. Since entering the race nearly 2 years ago, Trump has netted millions of dollars selling new items featuring moments from his political life while also generating billions of dollars in wealth through a social media site where he speaks directly to supporters. His fans can buy coffee table books featuring pictures and letters from his presidency, or if they prefer, a Trump themed Bible. He has sold $399 golden sneakers and recently $99 NFTs. Buy 75, get access to a dinner with Trump, plus a piece of his suit he wore in his debate against Joe Biden. So there you go. I'm sure they're just going on and on about bashing him here, but anyway, it's tonight. Look at this. Trump has lost $4 billion in Truth Social wipeout. I wonder what that is, but yeah, you probably don't want to miss this, guys. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor at all. Make your own decision, please, about that. But I will definitely be checking into WLF. This thing is going to take off. It's just, yeah, pretty much, no guarantees in life, but anything with him there seemed to do pretty well, and I'm sure it will. So WLF, something to keep your eye on for sure. It came up, hit a 618 here with Kaspa. If we're taking a look at this thing, all right, we got the higher high, which is super, super important here. Now you're looking for a higher low than the one down here, okay? Now, me personally, I would be taking a fib, pulling it up here, and looking for retracement levels, right? 618, 702. Now your 15.2 is the 702, and 15.5 is your 618. Right now we're roughly at 16.5. So you'll be looking at another penny down here to 618 and 702. That's kind of what I'm looking for on this thing. As far as the pullback goes, we'll see if this support line, this blue line, holds it or not, or if it comes right through it, just like it did over here. Pulled down. I posted this entry on Discord. This entry right here down here at this 14 cents. That was a 702. I should have stayed in this trade. This was a banger for sure. What's this up? From that bottom up to there. Oh, jeez. It's roughly 30% on a 30x, 9x your money. That's what it can do for you, man. And what do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. 9 days to 9x your money. Right there. That's a hell of a trade. I wish I would have stayed in that. I would have made $9,000 off this one move right here. Just off this one trade. Of course, I like to be in and out of trades fast, take my money and go. I knew this thing was going to run up. I knew it. It's over. Let me show you here. This is exactly what I posted over there. Was this move right here? Go for your swing low up to your swing high. That wick right there. Look at this. Perfect 702. Said if you want a great entry, there it is. Right here. Wicked right down there and flew right up. So that turned out to be fantastic. I know some people over there got it Discord. I just don't know how many. I hope a bunch of people. I hope everybody made a pile of money, and I hope you're still in it, because that is a very, very good trade. You're going to get a little bit of a pullback here, and then you're going to get, it looks like a springboard back up here. So let's put a box here. And no guarantees it pulls back this far, but with Bitcoin looking like it's going to pull down and everything, don't be shocked, okay, if it does. Let's put a box right here, right there, okay, because if you look at these RSIs, right, the daily has just flipped bearish here. The 12 hours still pulling down. As soon as it loads up here, I apologize. There we go. 12 hour still coming down. You got the 8 hour right about at the very bottom here. Let's see here. Then you got the 4 hour. right at the very bottom here itself. All right, so this thing could, of course, watch this trend line. It could grab up here and bounce. I kind of doubt it, quite honestly. Usually you get a pullback, you know back to a retracement level and then a bounce, just like over here. This price movement over here, once it bounced around in here, but it never had a major break to the upside or the downside until it retraced right here. And then you got this big massive push here. Okay, and all this is right here is probably just a big wave one and then a two-wave pullback and then taking off here. It could bounce at the 50% here. You could get a wick down in here to the 50%, and it could take off right at 16.0286. Wave twos have are known to do that, to only have a 50% retracement. So that could definitely do that. If it pulls down through though, I won't be looking for an entry at 16 cents. We sold up here over in Discord. You're probably wondering why I'm saying that. This is what we did over here earlier, just a little bit ago, not too long ago at all. All right, right here. This is the move I posted. I posted this right here, to get in down here, and this thing fired right to the. And I said to sell. Believe it or not, right up here, right at that wick. You know why? Because if you take a Fibonacci and you pull it down, look at that, 1618 right on the dot, smashed it right on the dot. And I think this is an ABC coming in here right now. We'll have to see here, what do we got here? Take a look at this. We'll see if it gets rejected or not up here to 618 and 702. It could be a bounce here, but if you take that, see here, it definitely could be a bounce, but if you go off this low here, right here, and off this wave 2 and pull this up, all right, almost a 618, but not quite. It's just probably pulling up here a little bit for either an ABC, or it's bouncing and getting ready to get out of here. But definitely, you got your high here, your higher low, your higher high, and so far a higher low. This could be it, but it looks like it's turning around already. So I'm looking for a 618 or 702 here, and then a bounce to the upside in this short term out of this move right here. Okay, so having a little bit of it would be a little bit of a retracement here, like on a 4-hour. All right, nothing major. This is no big break or anything that I believe overall. I think it's heading either here to 16 cents or down here to 15 and a half, and then we'll get our move up. All right, thank you so very, very much, guys. I hope you have a great day. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Have a great night, everybody, and God bless.